Are you in the market for a bathroom vanity, but you're not sure what exactly you should be looking for? Well, this video is going to be all about how to buy a bathroom vanity online, what are the marks of quality that you need to look for, as well as I'm going to give you a ton of different ideas of affordable, modern, really cute bathroom vanities that you can buy from Home Depot that'll get delivered to your door. And if you stay around to the end, I'm going to show you the number one thing to look for that's a mark of quality in bathroom vanities that is going to make it so much easier for you to shop. So let's get this party started and let's roll. Hi, I'm Carrie from Penny Modern, and welcome to everything you need to know about how to buy a bathroom vanity online. So I'm going to take you through my own process that I used to buy 2 different bathroom vanities online for our bathroom remodel, and I'm going to show you all the things that I looked for, and I'm going to show you all the features that my vanity has that you might want in your own vanity and like why they're important. And then I'm also going to give you a bunch of ideas for really awesome, modern, and very affordable. I think they're all under $2,000 and most of them under $1,500 vanities from Home Depot. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you the number one thing to look for in your vanity purchase that's going to help you buy a quality vanity that's going to stand the test of time. So if you end up liking this video, it would totally help me out and help other people out if you give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. And then also, if you want more home decor tips and inspiration as well as product reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and that way you won't miss any of my new video releases. So let's roll. So first I'm going to take you on a tour of the vanity that I purchased online, the design elements, and it's the Valentino model. And this is a 48-inch vanity, and it is real wood. It's white with a real marble top that came with it on, and then it includes this rectangular sink. And then it did not include the faucet. It did include that awesome backsplash. I think it's a 4-inch backsplash. And then it included all the hardware. This is chrome. So one of the first things that you might want to research when you're looking at a vanity is, what is it made out of? So vanities can be made out of real wood, MDF, or particle board. Those are the main options there. So this is actually made out of real wood. And you can usually tell through the specifications on the website, although a lot of times they're buried in there. The other way is if you're actually looking, you can see things like the dovetail joints. You can look at these, and this is, once you feel it, you can feel that it's real wood. It's not like a sticker on there. And then when you go inside, a good way to tell is a lot of the cheaper vanities at Home Depot will have like particle board. You can actually see the raw edge of particle board in the back here. But this one you can't because it's real wood and they've painted it. So that is one thing you definitely want to look for. And the reason why, and here again, here's the real wood. The reason why you don't want particle board is because it actually can absorb moisture, and also it can warp. So over time, you know, your vanity can get like bubbly and things like that. And I think even bugs can get inside of it. All right, I'm going to show you guys around this vanity. So the first thing is the countertop. So this is, like I said, marble. And this is actually kind of a shiny, polished marble. I did buy 2 of these. I bought a different size one. I bought a 52-inch one, I think, that the top was actually not shiny. It was more of a dull, but I didn't really mind. And it also has an 8-inch spread faucet holes that were already built into it. But I did have to install the faucet and the drain. And then it comes with the backsplash as a separate piece. So marble is good because it's a real stone. It's good for resale value because people like real stone, but it does require some maintenance. So you have to seal it. I think it's once a year, every 6 months, and you have to use a special cleaner, which we just use. We got this stuff. So we got this Stone Care. This is from Home Depot, granite and stone sealer, and then this is the cleaner we use. It's a really gentle cleaner. So the other thing to mention when buying a vanity that's super important would be the width. So I had a lot of trouble because this width that my wall between wall to wall is on a standard width. So I ended up getting, I think this is a 48-inch vanity, and the space is probably like 53 or 51, or it's something odd. So most of the time vanities are in even widths. And so you can see here I have some spaces on the edge. Okay, so the next thing is the hardware. So this came with these awesome chrome handles. They could easily, you could switch these out for something if you wanted black ones, or maybe you could paint them. But the other thing to look for is just to take a look inside and look at the pictures on the website even, and see what the hinges are like. So these are actually soft close hinges, which is pretty awesome. And there's no plastic, so it's just metal. So that's a good sign of quality, is if some of the hinges on the cheaper models will be just plastic, but these are all metal. So that's a really good sign to look for. And then the other thing is the drawers. So these are soft close drawers. So that might be a feature that you want. It definitely helps if you have kids and stuff. Okay, the next thing you might want to look out for is the faucet. So if you have your heart set on a certain faucet for your vanity, you want to make sure, because all these prefabricated vanities have this different faucet holes, and there's only usually one kind. So this is an 8-inch widespread faucet. A lot of vanities are center set, so they're all together, so it's like all one piece. But I like the widespread faucet because I just think it looks a little classier. So that's one thing you'll need to make sure that you get the right number of faucet holes, and they're where you want them when you're buying the vanity. And the other thing is also the sink. So a lot of vanities are a circular shape, but I think the more modern style is actually a rectangle. So this was really important to me. I wanted to make sure that I got a vanity with a rectangle shape. And the other thing is you want to make sure there's a drain hole, preferably in the side that's like facing you, not the one that's facing that you'd see. So the other thing I would say is the feature is the bells and whistles. So this is what I'm seeing in some new vanities, is they actually have an electrical outlet with, and this actually has USB plugs in it for like your curling iron, your hair dryer, and it has these holes here to put them in, which I think is really cool, especially if you have like teenagers or a lot of girls in your family. This would be really awesome. So another thing to look out for is actually your plumbing. So you want to see, where does your pipe come out of the wall? So you can see here, my pipe is not like directly in between where the two spigots are, right? It's coming from the side. So I needed something with a pretty big back. I would almost take a picture and just make sure there's enough space, and you're not getting a vanity that has like drawers right here, because some of them have drawers in the middle. And then how are you going to have drawers? And then I have this pipe over here, so I needed to have something that had doors in the middle. And then I wanted lots of drawers because obviously, this is our main vanity for our primary bedroom. So I needed stuff for all our bottles and everything. So I needed a lot of drawers. So that's the other thing, is storage. You need to make sure there's enough storage for your needs. This takes up a lot of room. I normally would have like stuff down here too, but you need to make sure that there's enough storage for your needs. I really love this drawer because it helped me hide a lot of stuff. And then this, I can put all my cleaning products, and I usually put other beauty products and stuff in here. So that's the other consideration, is just make sure there's enough storage.
So I just wanted to give you guys a few quick ideas on different vanities you can buy directly from Home Depot. This is the one that we actually bought, was the Valentino. And I think I did get the 48-inch. It came in a bunch of different colors, blue, gray, and white. And you can see here it's $1,200. They are kind of running out of stock, so I wanted to show you guys something similar. This is the Riverdale, which is from Home Decorators collection, which is Home Depot's brand, and it has pretty good ratings. It's over 4 stars, and it has a white marble top, and it comes in 36-inch and the 48-inch, and it also comes in the double sink. So, and this one's not too bad. It's $15.99 for a 48-inch vanity, and I would say wait and watch for sales, because a lot of times Home Depot will put, especially the home decorators collection, their own brand on deal a lot. So look for that to be on deal, and you can also get it shipped right to your home for free, which is awesome. The other ones I wanted to show you, if you love the natural wood look that's really popular right now, this is like a North American oak with this really thick top. So this looks very modern, very custom. It's a smaller vanity. It's 36 inches. So if you live in California like me, that's probably perfect, but it's $949. Which is not bad for something that looks so like high end, right? And it has this single sink hole, so you can get one of those really modern faucets. So this one's really cute. And then this one is called the Sudio. Oh, and I'm going to link to all these down below, so you will be able to get links to all these on the Home Depot site. The Sudio Windwood is another one that's it's less than $1,000 for a 36-inch vanity. It has real wood, and this is a limestone top, which again, this looks super custom, but it's, an off-the-shelf vanity you can just buy and install from Home Depot. Everything comes with it, except for the faucet. So this is a really good option as well. I really like this one. If you like that lighter wood look. And then I wanted to show you guys a couple of different options. The gray, this one is the Windlowe from Home Decorators Collection, and it comes in black, blue, and green. Like this really light green is becoming really popular in kitchens, and I think it's also going to be popular in bathrooms. And then it comes in just white, and again, it has a marble top, which is awesome, and then it comes in all these different sizes. So this might be a great option for you if you're looking for a gray one. And then the Ariel, I almost got this vanity instead of the Valentino. This is the Cambridge, and it comes in, I think it comes in white as well, but this gray one's really nice. And why I picked this, it's a really light gray, which is going to go with almost any decor, and then it pairs really well. You can see with here those light oak floors. And then it has a quartz top. So quartz is going to be a little bit easier to maintain than marble. You don't have to put any special sealer or really use any special cleaners on it. So this is a good option to have a quartz top, because not a lot of these vanities have quartz. So that's $1,600. And then if you're interested in the blue, which is becoming really popular, like dark blue, this was a great one. It's called the Madsen, and it's like $900 for a 48-inch vanity, which is pretty big. It does have a cultured marble top, which is more like crushed stone with resin, but it's a lot easier to take care of. But it's still a really pretty nice top. It almost looks like quartz. And then the Wyndham collection has the Beckett, which this is a 66-inch vanity, which is huge. But what I like about this, it comes in all these different colors, and the blue actually comes with brass handles and stuff like that. And this comes in all these different widths, white, gray, blue. It comes with brush gold, single sink, double sink. Like this is like anything you want, you can get with this Beckett. So this is another great option for you. And I just wanted to give you guys a bunch of ideas for vanities that might work in your bathroom.
So what did you guys think? I hope you got a lot of tips and tricks on how to buy a vanity online. And I hope you enjoyed all the different ideas for cute, modern, and very affordable vanities I shared with you. And I wanted to give you the number one thing to look for when you're buying a vanity online, and it will make things actually way easier for you. Is the number one thing to look for is actually these right here, Dovetail drawer joints. So this is a really good mark of quality, because Dovetail drawer joints means the entire drawer, the front as well as the back, is full real wood. And that is a really big mark of quality, because the alternative is you would see like staples, or you might see just like brad nails holding it, and a lot of times that's particle board or MDF. I think only really real wood, you can do the dovetail joints. So that's the easiest thing. If you can look and limit your search to vanities with dovetail drawer joints, you're going to get a quality vanity that's going to last for years. So hopefully that helped you, and make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you liked it, it'll help everybody else who's looking for a vanity to find this video, and then hit subscribe if you want more home decor tips and tricks, as well as inspiration and home product reviews to make your home beautiful on a budget you can afford. So until next time, see you later.